I'll do it later. I'll do it later. I'll do it later, Max always says. Max, can you clean your room? Pick up your airplane, baseball, basketball, and jewelry box, says Mom. I'll do it later, says Max. Max, can you rake the leaves in the garden? I'll do it later, says Max. Look, look. Ulo. Max, don't forget to put some birdseed in Sue's bird cage, says Mom. I'll do it later, says Max. Mami, ano? Max, can you mop up those muddy footprints? I'll do it later, says Max. Max, can you put your books on the bookshelf? Ala, sick pala. It's okay, right, Mommy? I'll do it later, says Max. Max, please put your backpack away. I'll do it later, says Max. Max, it's your time to do your homework, says Mom. I'll do it later, says Max. Max, can you get the mail? I'll do it later, says Max. Mommy? Mom, I'm going out to skate, says Max. You are not going anywhere. You can go out after you do all of your chores, says Mom. Max rises to clean her room. Max rises to clean her room. She puts her backpack away. Max puts her books away too. She mops the floor. Max rakes the leaves. She does her homework too. It's bedtime, Max, says Mom. I'll do that now, says Max. That's okay, Beth.